As the farrier finishes fitting the horseshoe, you'll notice the nail points sticking out from the sides of the hoof. Now, it's time to make sure the horse stays safe. He begins pressing down the nail tips, using special tools to bend, clinch, and smooth them. This prevents any injury or discomfort for the horse. Each movement is precise, working carefully to flatten and secure the nails, while also shaping the hoof to look neat and strong. As he finishes up, you can see the hoof now looks clean, balanced, and professionally restored. Gorgeous work by the farrier, and a happy hoof for the horse.